much to everyone who joined the live Zoom Felt Along on Monday. Over 200 of you turned up. I've got to say, I was absolutely blown away. It was such a brilliant evening. It was a lovely mix of relaxed creating, helpful Q&As, and a proper chat about all the things that kind of get in the way when you're trying to get started with a new craft. So thank you again. It reminded me of how powerful creative time really can be, especially when we share it together and we come together as part of a creative community. Now, the Felt Along was just the beginning, because I want to announce that after months of working away behind the scenes, I can finally share something I have been building for a long time. It is my brand new needle felting course just for beginners called Felt Hub Foundations. It's a 6-week course made especially just for complete beginners who want to learn to needle felt with structure, support, but mostly with confidence. You won't be learning in isolation. You'll be learning with me, so that's what makes it different. I'm going to be there. It's not just a set of video tutorials, set it and forget it, and you work on your own. Each week you'll get new lessons through the private member hub on my website, video tutorials, written guides, weekly projects to practice the new skills that you've been gaining each week. And we'll meet for Zoom Q&As regularly, where you can ask questions, get help, or just listen in if you prefer to do that. As well as the different projects, we'll be learning techniques, not just how something is made, but why that technique works, so you truly understand what's happening with your wool. It's really important, and that will really help you go on to develop your skills in the future. We'll go over felting needles, different types of wool, tools, felting fabrics, picture fabrics, and how to use them and to get the best results. It's all broken down simply so it makes sense, and more importantly, it will stick. So there's also going to be an optional private Facebook group if you want a bit of community support along the way, but it's not essential to complete the course at all, so you don't have to be part of that. You'll be drip fed the course 1 week at a time to keep things manageable, like I said, without overwhelm. So you're not scooting 6 weeks ahead and thinking, oh my goodness. So you're going to have lifetime access as well once the course is finished to Zoom replays, all the lessons and any future updates. So there's no need to rush or panic about falling behind. And included in the course, you're going to get a big bundle of patterns and guides worth at least £25. And once you've finished, you get a really nice certificate of completion to mark your progress, which I think is a really nice touch. It's not a set it and forget it course. It's hands-on, fully supported. It's a step-by-step path into needle felting that's designed to give you skills that stay with you and actually enjoy the process along the way. This is not homework. This is a hobby. So let's talk about the price. The course itself is just £47 for the first round, for this first session of doors opening and then closing. That includes everything: patterns, downloads, Zoom sessions, lifetime access, the lot, and then all the replays afterwards. It's a one-time thank you for being part of the first group, and the price won't be repeated. If it sounds like something you've been waiting for, like a proper way in without all of the overwhelm and the angst, then just click in the description or comment crafts below and I'll send you the details straight over, or as soon as I get to the message. Whatever you decide, I'm just chuffed you're really here. And if you do join, then I'll be with you every step of the way. So don't worry about that. And I can't wait to get started on the 9th of June. So I'll see you then, hopefully. Bye.